Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to recover all WhatsApp account without SIM, so let's start. So first we have to go to WhatsApp, and then when we are here on WhatsApp, let's go to the three dots on the top right corner here, and then let's go to settings. Here on settings, just scroll down and let's go to help. Here on help, let's go to help center. Just click here. Just wait a little bit until it's ready to load, and then just click here on contact us. Let's wait a little bit, and here only write how to recover all WhatsApp account. Okay, so let's write it. Then when we are ready, just click on next. Here on next, you have to select the one that is fit for your trouble. So in this case, I will write the first one, and then you can here read how you can recover the WhatsApp account. This is useful for you. If this is not help you, just click on send my questions to WhatsApp support, and then WhatsApp support will contact you by WhatsApp and give you the support for you, as you can see here. So that's how it works. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.